Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my channel. So today's video is on this high puff that I was able to achieve a few days ago. So I took down my mini braids because I felt like I needed a break from protective styles. I then put my hair into chunky twists and then had it in for 2 days. So here I'm just taking them down and then I'm detangling my hair. And so the products that I'll need for this hairstyle is a hairbrush, some water in a spray bottle, a shoelace to tie my hair up in a high puff, and some gel. So I spray some water onto my hair and then brush it off, and then I apply some gel onto my hair as well, brush it off, and then I use my shoelace to tie my hair up in a high puff. Yes. And then of course I had to put on my tassel earrings to complement my hairstyle. So if you want more information about my tassel earrings, just click the link above to watch the video on it. And then right here, I'm just trying to help my camera person to compose shots for my video, aka my lovely mother. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe. And up until the next video, bye bye.